In this video, I will show you how to download Facebook in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box and type store. Then what should happen is Microsoft Store should come up underneath Best Match. Give that a click and give it a minute to load through. And once your store has loaded through, all you want to do is come up to the search box at the top. In here, type Facebook and give that a search. And you should now see Facebook come up. So all you want to do is give that a click to be taken to the app page. Now I've already got Facebook installed, but for yourself, the blue button here, it's going to say get or install. So all you need to do is give that a click and that's going to download and install Facebook onto your Windows 11 laptop or PC. And once that's done, you can simply just click the blue open button, which is going to open up Facebook. And then you can just log in with your account and start using Facebook on Windows 11. So that is how to download Facebook in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.